My husband. Still getting used to saying that.
My best friend. That part hasn't changed.
He never skips the effort, which is cute, considering he can't cook.
Dancing has never quite been my thing. But I don't mind if it means she'll always dance like no one's watching.
What do you think we'll be doing 5 years from now?
Traveling the world, finding more places like this.
Siddham.
Surprise! How's it?
She has a way of making the everyday feel a little extraordinary. And make sure home finds me wherever we are.
Airbnb already feels like home.
Who you share it with just makes it yours.
Makes it ours.
Ours.